Hello everybody. You're always looking for an advantage in business, and one of the things about business is that you can either cut costs or you can improve efficiency and utilization. And utilization is something that people like a lot more than they like laying people off. So our product has a great utilization factor. Not only are you able to brand for your own business, but we're also able to add specific graphics for charitable organizations, for co-branding, for whatever you want, you can have, and it will look great. Let me give you an example right here. Walk with me and talk with me. The great thing about this is that these trucks, and this company takes awesome care of their equipment. But one thing that they wanted to do is they wanted to be able to feature the local growers in their area, as you know, and to let people know that that's what they sell. So what they had before was just this on the side of their truck, and then what we did is we came up with an option for them to be able to put co-branding on the backside. Now they work with local charities or local suppliers, charities. Staters is a very, very charitable company, but they also have the opportunity to be able to create more revenue. That's where the utilization comes in. And when you're out there selling this product, talk in those terms, because there's three things that have to happen for every sale. The customer has to recognize that there's a need for it. You gotta have the truck, you might as well have something on it, right? The need is there. The affordability. When you compare the cost of our product to this cost, all of the other stuff that's out there, there is no comparison. So from a utilization standpoint and a sales standpoint, we have the need established. We have the cost. We're right in there on costs. In fact, we save them money. But the biggest thing is, in every sale, is urgency. And right now, we're going through this whole goofy virus thing. And business is really getting beat up. We don't really know what's going on. So right now, go to a customer and say to them, let me help you make more money. Think about it. How many of your customers do you have that if you were to walk up to them and say, I want to show you how you can make more money with your existing fleet, with your existing trucks, and I want to save you money doing it? How many people are going to listen to that? So that's our hope, and that's what we want to do, is we want to be able to help you guys to be able to grow and to be profitable. And that's what we're supposed to be able to do. So thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you.